Hey guys, today I'm here at Rainforest Ayur County, a heritage resort here in Kottayam district of Kerala, the Godson country. You must be wondering how it started raining all of a sudden, but this is one main feature of this resort. So it rains here 365 days a year. So they create this artificially. This mist gives you the feel of a normal hill station, and this is beautiful. It's really sunny outside, but it's only raining here in this particular cottage. So every cottage they have a raining system, so if you want to enjoy the rain, just turn it on and enjoy. I can see the rainbow also because of the sun. Can you see? So you can see the rainbow also. It's a beautiful sunny weather, but it's raining because it's artificially created. If you have a group of people, they will play some song also, so you can have a rain dance, literally rain dance on this courtyard. So this is the big feature here in Rainforest Ayur County Resort. There is so much to see and explore. Let's get started. I'm here with my family. So this is my brother Sri Hari Vishnu Nampudri.
Hello.
And my parents are already in the cottage down there. Standing in the reception area right now, which is right at the entrance gate. So I'll just give you a view of what all things are here. A viewpoint. So this is the viewpoint here where you can stand and see the entire property. So this will give you a bird eye view of the entire property. This is the viewpoint, and right now we're gonna go see an artificial cave they have created for meditation, which is right below this viewpoint. Srihari is trying to be funny here, but that is not the real meditation posture, but yeah. Near to that cave, we have a waterfall, which is a small one. This is actually meant for kids. Now we are going to see some cottages. We will start with this one. This one has the most beautiful view because this is the view from here. You can just relax in your easy chair here. The wood you see here, these are all part of traditional Kerala architecture, and these are all more than 400 years old. It is not some concrete structure and wooden panels, so these are all real wood. We are going to see the banquet hall. So if you are planning to host a party or a reception here, there is a beautiful banquet hall. So we are going to the banquet hall now. The speciality of this cottage is that it overlooks the waterfall here, and another thing is it is also really old. Roofing here has a flower structure, like I said. There used to be a time in ancient Kerala where people used to measure their size of house by counting the number of flowers in the roof. So that means like a measurement they used to, Like in the modern time we use square feet, they use the number of flowers in the roof. So that means this is like a standard measurement. So by counting the number of flowers in the roof, they can get to know how big the family and the house is. So that is one traditional thing they have kept here. This is also real, it is not artificial. These are all they have bought from some part and they have reconstructed here. This seat I'm sitting here is more than 300 years old, and this is wooden finished. And another feature about this is this can be used as a storage space also. If you sit in a normal chair for half an hour, you will start getting backache, but this one is so comfortable that you can sit 7 hours continuously in this without getting a back pain. So that is the speciality of this 300 years old seating and a storage unit. So this is one beautiful piece here in this heritage hotel. For the tourist, they have a small boat. If you want to have a boat ride in Meenachil River, we can use this. Srihari, how is it? So that is Srihari sitting in a small boat in Meenachil River, which is a famous river in Kerala. And from here we are going to have a walk through the nature, and I will show you an amphitheatre. They have an amphitheatre if you're planning for some function, and they also have a floating restaurant which is in the traditional Kerala boat, which is Kettu Vellam, so which is a very famous houseboat structure. It's a type of houseboat here in Kerala. When there is some function going on over there in the amphitheatre, this will serve as a restaurant where you can sit and enjoy in the Meenachil River with a view of Meenachil River. That is beautiful. This amphitheatre can accommodate up to 500 people. So the pool here is an infinity pool. The infinity pool, and let's go for a short swim. So this is the pool experience here in the resort, and we'll go to that waterfall, that is artificial waterfall. We have already seen the waterfall for the kids, but this is the big one. We are done with the pool, and right now we are going to have a Coracle ride, which is the basket boat. So to go to the waterfall there. After an amazing pool session with my family, I just got freshened up and I will show you my cottage, and it is a heritage home. So I'll give you a tour of my cottage. It's a 2-bedroom cottage and it has connected rooms, and there are some traditional elements. This is a wooden pillar. Everything here is made to make it look more like a heritage home. It's a traditional Kerala home, and there are elements like this chair, and this easy chair is so comforting. You can just sit and relax. Now let's go inside and see. So it's a traditional house, like I said, so it has a double door. My parents are already here, and this is one bedroom. And if you observe it closely, you can see there is a pickle jar kind of lamp stand, which is also a traditional touch there. There is a veranda if you want. And every door has double board system on the top and bottom, so it's all like traditional elements. Open this and you have a veranda here. Here also you can see wooden thing, and it has a backrest also, so you can just sit and relax in the nature. So this is the dressing room. So the dressing room has a dresser, a big mirror, and there's a wardrobe here. And the restroom. It's really big. The shower area is divided as a wet and dry area, so it's very convenient and it's really big. Now let's go to my room. So this is the connecting door. If you open this, so the door jamb here is little up from the floor level. It is like a traditional house, so you should be careful with it. So this is my room, and here is also a big king size mattress is there. Now I'll show you my washroom. So the washroom door, if you check, it is also a traditional way, and if you look at the floor, it is also a terracotta flooring here. Now let's go inside the washroom and show you. This washroom is also really spacious. It also has a rain shower like the other one, and it is really spacious. It has a wet and a dry area, so it makes it very convenient. I'll show you my veranda here. There is a sit out for my room also. So this is the one. Just sit here and relax. It is the Meenachil River, like I said before, and there is a boating over there that we saw already. So our lunch is here, and let's open, and it opens to the main courtyard. It's a connected room, so it's very convenient if you're coming with your family or friends. So you don't need to just like roam around to visit each other, so it's a very convenient concept. So that was an eventful 2 days here in Rainforest Ayur County Heritage Resort, and it's finally time to say goodbye to our beautiful resort. The great thing we enjoyed here is the rainfall and the mist. It is artificially created. Even though it was a sunny day, we enjoyed a rainfall and mist. It was beautiful. In fact, it was a brilliant move by the resort people. Anyway, if you want to unwind yourself or refresh, this is a great place to come and stay. I hope you like this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.